Hey guys, me Tessa Blaine and my daughter
Delaney.
And today we got another new accessory. We have, what is it? A console organizer tray. And it's from Seed. Okay, so
shout out to Seed.
Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna open this up and let's get started. All right.
It even says thanks for your purchase.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Let's get it opened up.
First, we have an installation tutorial. It shows you how to install
it, but
ooh, I like the look of this. This is pretty.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty simple.
Yeah.
So it has little silicone sleeves.
That way, if it gets dirty, it's easy to take them out and clean it. Oh. Super easy to knock out, too.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, hold on.
So the car already has these little shelves on the inside, like they knew Seed would design something for it. Then you just slide it in, and you can slide it back.
Oh, look, and I like how... Okay, go ahead and pull it this way. Now, look, because it is kind of a see-through, the light still shines in it. So that makes it awesome for you to be able to see what you're...
Also makes it kind of a secret little
compartment. Yeah, because now you can see what's down below it. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
All right, let's see how it fits some of your stuff.
So I like to keep a hairbrush and like a little...
Is the bag going to fit in there? Yeah, it does.
Then, keep my Aquaphor. Got... This can go underneath. Salvation arrow. Little clippy clip. Hair tie.
Typical girl stuff.
More hair ties. Can go underneath. Oops. That's okay. But yeah. Keeps all the goodies. And also, I didn't know I could do this, but there is little USB-C ports right in here. I'm just finding this out.
All right, so you got your cable plugged in, and then you're going to bring it up through the hole.
Feed it through. I have a lot of stuff. Okay. Then.
All right, so how was it? I mean, it works out pretty good. The storage unit or storage console slides in there pretty easily, and you can push it back and forth. You can add things. You can take it out and clean it if you happens to get dirty or anything. So you give it a thumbs up. She gives it a thumbs up. All right, guys, if you haven't done so already, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more stuff. We're going to continue to try to install things in the Model 3. I have a Model Y. We're just going to keep doing what we can here, right? All right, guys, be safe, have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Talk to you later. Bye.